Hello my friends, in this lesson I will show you how to upload and add a cover photo to your channel, and at the same time if you previously added a cover photo to your channel. Adding a cover photo to your channel is possible. Teriro. So before we get into the explanation, if this is your first time watching, don't forget to support me by hitting the subscribe button. Share this clip with friends and families. You just open the YouTube app normally, then you cut right here, and after that you make adjustments in this space or on your channel section. Then you click on this pencil. As you can see, I have already uploaded a cover photo to my channel. Now you can upload or add a new photo, or you can change it. I am now going to add a new channel cover photo. So hover over this spot on this icon that looks like a camera. So as you can see, two options will appear for you. The first option lets you take a picture of yourself using headphones, your phone, and the second option, which is uploading your photos previously by creating it with a program or an app. I previously created a channel cover image using apps. You can choose the programs and apps you like to create the feed. So as I told you before, I prepared the cover image. I will cover this area. This will show you all the pictures available on your phone. For example, I will choose this picture. As I mentioned previously, I did preparing it and how it relates, and then this interface will appear with you. Now I will adjust the size as you see in the picture. It's too big for this font, as you can see. So I'm going to shrink the picture to look like this. So it looks like this, as you can see. And finally, I am going to cover the sword. And now the image or cover photo is being uploaded to the channel, and it has been successfully changed. That's the end of our lesson, my friends. See you in another lesson. You can watch this playlist of YouTube tutorials where you will find explanations. You'll love it and find it useful. Mina, see you later, my friends.